What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a Porsche 992 Carrera GTS shoot, and right here we have the Carrera GTS itself. So this is a 2025 Carrera GTS. I think this is the one that they did the launch on. So yeah, it's really nice. This is personally, if there's no 911 Turbo S's available, I personally would choose the GTS. But yeah, this is a really nice spec. I think this is the Nardo Grey one. But yeah, really nice machine. And let's see how today's goes. I'm gonna show you. We have the team.
Yo, just
one month.
Right.
How much go for that, Uncle Sam?
11.
Sir, front glass in.
Bro. Really?
Car looks so good.
Like, two of them in the same color is crazy, man.
I'm still not for stay behind. Not sure.
Maxi. Hey, GTR Japper, let's make one shoot him. In the 60 brother.
What them the 20s on the reel? 21?
Brother, 29. Savage.
2021. Alright guys, so now we're at the shoe location, and of course, if you know, you know. But yeah, we're at the shoe location now with everyone, and yeah, this is just the behind the scenes of the whole shoot. So this is the interior of the 2025 Carrera 992 Carrera GTS. Right there. It's really nice. Of course, it has its bucket style seats. Very compact. And I have the sports response button right there with Alcantara and everything. Really nice. Big up to the owner with this machine. Clean. So this guys, I'm not gonna lie, me personally, I would choose the Turbo S, of course, but this is a really nice daily and a sport car, of course. This would a nice on the Sligo run. Can you imagine driving this on some spirited driving type thing through the hills of Jamaica? A orchard run, a toll run. This is the dream. This is the dream. Comment down below what you guys think about this car.
Comment down below what you guys think. Let me know.
Yeah, that's crazy.
your remote motor.
You can.
Boom. That's genial.